Hi, I'm Trekker Wilson, and I believe nature can help you. As many of you know, I've been on a journey to address my own mental health challenges, and one of the things I'm trying to do is open my heart completely, and that's a difficult thing for me to do. And I'm going to start with baby steps, and I'm going to open my heart completely to nature. And this has brought me and my family on a journey across Switzerland, across the great outdoors of the wonderful Alps. Click around this video to see some more of those adventures. But today we're going to be exploring how the beautiful Daubensee near Leukerbad in Switzerland can help. I'm hoping it will help me to pause and slow down and really recognize and understand what's important, what's really important in life, which is our health, our family, and the people around us. And I've been looking for my purpose in life, and I'm still working on that, but I don't think I'm going to solve that today. So let's just go have some fun in the outdoors. And the reason I'm sharing these experiences is in hopes to inspire you to find your moments of clarity and peace in the great outdoors. So let's go. Ooh, careful. Now, here's the thing. Kids are naturals at connecting with nature. They don't think twice, they just dive in. Like here, there's just a bit of snow, and instantly it's a play zone. They're not worried about time, schedules, or stress. Nature invites us to come as you are, and kids just come to play.
How do I get down now?
You got it. That's a view. Wow. Yes. So, 6 kilometers around the lake. And this is our day. Wow. You know, there's something really special about watching little feet on the trail. Those tiny steps are a big deal. Each step teaches them balance, persistence, and reinforces their innate need to explore. Here's another gem from the kids. They spot a log, and immediately it's not just a log. It's a boat, a new adventure. Nature gives them these chances to imagine, and I'm taking notes. You might not recognize it, but this moment is therapy for me. Watching them, I realize there's joy in the simplicity of just being. No agenda, no deadlines. I need to incorporate more of that kind of slowdown in my life. Nice. You wanna go film Davy's butterfly?
Hey!
Whoa! There's rocks falling. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. There's a rock falling. Rock! Rock!
Rock falling! Who throws a rock down here?
Nobody, sometimes they just fall. I saw a huge one fall just behind me.
That one's gonna fall later.
Okay, go, go. There were rocks falling right down there onto the trail. Ooh, a little bit scary. Fell right behind me while Huxley was filming. It was a little bit scary. Huxley and I were back there. Some rocks were falling. We're good though. It's tricky because it's quite steep. I mean, there's some overhang there. And if they fall, we could hear them sliding a bit down. We're all right. Just gotta be careful when you're hiking. Here in the mountains, loose rocks means we've got to be aware. Nature allows us to learn balance. Excitement and caution are both needed in some moments. There's nothing like a trail picnic. This is a nice chance for us to pause, connect, and share without the distractions of day-to-day life. Squishy? Does it feel a little cold? Slippery? You okay? Okay, go. Woo!
Again.
Okay? And here's where the magic comes together. Up here, you get the full picture, the lake, the trails, the mountains. Nature doesn't hide its beauty, and when I see it all from above, I realize that I don't have to be perfect. I'm a part of something so much bigger.
On top of this skeleton hand.
It does look like skeleton hands, doesn't it?
We have to go on top of this skeleton.
You're gonna walk on the skeleton hands.
We're on an adventure.
Yay!
Let's pretend.
Yeah, let's go on an adventure.
On the bones.
Ooh, on the skeleton hand bones, yes.
Giant skeleton hand bones.
Nature invites playfulness. And who says you have to be a kid to join in?
Here's a skull of a snappy turtle.
Yeah, snappy turtle skull. Yep, I agree. I think you're right. The outdoors is where our imagination can run wild and where we can create worlds of our own, no matter our age. Today wasn't just a hike, it was therapy, play, connection, and a place where we find more than beauty. We find balance and belonging. Nature's here to guide us, ground us, and help us let go. For me, this hike was a reset. Therapy doesn't always have to be complicated. Sometimes it's as simple as walking through nature and letting it teach us. Every breeze, every rock, every view, it's all part of the story. Will you let the outdoors be part of your story? Remember to take a moment today, breathe deep, and find a little bit of nature's therapy for yourself. I'll see you in the next one. 21 days, 5 breathtaking locations, and countless memories. Over the next few weeks, I'll be sharing all the details, the insights, the experiences, the beautiful scenery, plus tips on camping, hiking, and finding peace in nature. If this resonates with you, subscribe to my channel. I'm excited to share more with you.